Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Annabrinda, and if you're new here, kindly consider clicking the subscribe button and become a member of this beautiful family. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install artificial locks, and without further ado, let me get straight into the video. And as you can see guys, I'm securing my lock in the matuta I have already printed. You turn it over and then you lock through the lock with a crochet. I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but just watch and learn. I'm doing it very slowly so you'll be able to get the concept. Guys, I'm done installing the locks. We are through with the process. Now it's time to do a retouch, and I'm going to do a retwist with wax, and we then proceed to styling them to any style that the client will suggest.